Okay, I'm redoing my video to make it a little more concise. This is a problem with a 2006 Toyota Sienna van, and I've had this problem with another car, and this one apparently has it too. Often you'll get the shifter going to all positions, but nothing happens. It doesn't do anything. You'll feel it a little bit looser than it was before when this happens, and it's the cable end that goes down to the transmission that pops off of the shifter pin that's in here. And all you have to do is buy a $12 bushing kit from anywhere, and it contains several types of bushings. The one I used was a black one, and I threw the rest away. And you push that onto the eye of the end of the cable, and then push the cable onto the pin, and you're all done. And so what I did, because as you'll see in other videos, you have to start way over here, take that off, that off, that off, that off, that off, that off, that off. And I don't like doing that. This is an older car, and as you can probably detect on the left, I've found another solution, which is to drill a 3-inch hole with a hole saw in the right location. So this video is to give you that right location, which is roughly, it doesn't have to be exact, but roughly 5 inches from the front of that right there, 5 inches there, and then come down, say, from that little vent there, and to the center of the hole, you're going to have about 4 inches. It doesn't look like it in that shot, but it's about 4 inches. So 4 inches down, 5 inches over, and that's going to put you, let's see, there's my drill. You can see there's the black bushing that has been replaced on the eye of the end of the cable and the pin that it goes on. There, you can see that darn well. You can do all that through the hole using a pair of needle nose. Of course, you don't want to drop anything because it'll go down there and you'll have to end up pulling that panel anyway. Just don't drop it. And you can do it all here. So if you know where that hole is, you can drill that and get this job done in about 5 minutes. And then I've ordered a 3-inch plastic plug that'll fit on there that dress that baby up and make her look new. And not only that, you've got the advantage of, in the future, if that ever happened again, pull that cover off, pop a new bushing on, and you're back on the road in no time. Or if you're stranded somewhere, you could finagle it, real quick. So I highly recommend that if you don't mind having a hole in your 2006 Sienna console. And you hardly notice it, right? Anyway, good luck. Don't forget, it's 4 inches down and 5 inches over. We'll give you that hole. Oh, one more thing. There is a wire. It's not attached, but it's run close to the inside of the plastic. If you're not going to pull, let me show you how to pull the panel off if you want to do it. This is really easy. You just, sorry for the thumb. You just put a screwdriver in there and pop that one off very quick. Do the same over here. Like that. Sorry. There. No fasteners there at all. And then that'll expose the one fastener that you've got to take off. There is not one on the other side. You don't need it, it just clips in there. Take that off with a 10mm wrench, and you can pull, and this thing pops off too very easily. And you can unscrew this to get it out of the way. And that'll allow you to pull this front panel off. You just pull it here. if you want. And you can put a stick in there and push the wires away from the wall to make sure you don't nick them. But to be honest with you, I wouldn't do that. Now that I know where to drill that hole, I would just drill it really carefully, and when you're about to come through, go real slow so you don't shove your drill into the wires. There. Into the wires, and then it'll be so quick. All right, good luck, fellows and gals. Goodbye. I just received my plastic 3-inch plugs from Amazon. It's just a generic plug. So we'll finish this project up. Dress that thing up nicely. There. Access port complete. Looks very original. Good luck.